Hello everyone. Thabo Bester and Dr. Nandipha Makudumana had multiple unstamped documents and headed for Kenya when they were finally arrested in Tanzania. The convicted rapist and murderer Thabo Bester and his girlfriend Dr. Nandipha were arrested in Tanzania with several passports with multiple identities in their possession. This was confirmed by the Minister of South African Police Services, Bheki Cele, during a press briefing in Pretoria on Saturday, where he shed more light on the couple's dramatic arrest. Bester was arrested on Friday night in the East African country alongside Makudumana and Mozambican national Zacharia Alberto, who was assisting them. Cele said the suspects were captured in the Tanzanian city of Arusha with multiple passports in their possession. According to Citizen News, Bester was found with documents that identified him as Tommy William Kelly, an American citizen, while Makudumana assumed the name Martha Patience Mereka Nichini. Thabo Bester was traveling under these names: Mzali Jabwabu, Thomas Makagula, Katlego Nkwana, Tom Rufus Reddy, Pete Timothy, Kelly Johnstone, Thomas Bester, TK, Rufus Mahobo, Tom Bester, Thomas Kelly Young, and Tom Kelly. They traveled from Johannesburg to Bulawayo to Zambia and then to Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. Cele said the three were arrested in Arusha near the Kenyan border as they attempted to leave the country. He said the authorities stopped at the black SUV the fugitives were traveling in after it left the hotel. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.